and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. If you are an IGCSE student looking for ways to ace your exams, you are in the right place. Today we are exploring 9 incredible AI tools that can make your study session smarter, faster and more effective. So let's dive in. First up is DeepSeek, an AI-powered learning platform that personalizes your study plan. It analyzes your strengths and weaknesses, helping you focus on areas where you need the most important. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly what you need to succeed. Next, we have Chicken AI, a tool that combines learning with gamification. It creates interactive quizzes and challenges to make study fun and engaging. With Chicken, you can test your knowledge, track your progress, and stay motivated throughout your IGCSE preparation. Learn XYZ is another fantastic tool, especially for mastering complex topics. It breaks down subjects into bite-sized lessons, making it easier to understand difficult concepts. Whether it's math, science, or history, Learn XYZ simplifies learning so you can grasp even the toughest material. Next is UChat AI. It is like having a study buddy available 24/7. This AI chatbot can answer your questions, explain concepts, and even help your homework. Stuck on a problem at midnight? UChat has your back. Now let's talk about Notion AI. This tool is perfect for organizing your study materials. It helps you create notes, summarize, and study schedules, all in one place. With its AI-powered features, you can generate ideas, simplify notes, and stay on top of your revision plan. Socratic is a lifesaver for IGCSE students. Just snap a photo of your homework or type in a question and Socratic provides step-by-step explanations. It's typically helpful for maths and science, breaking down problems into easy-to-follow steps. Next is Tutor AI. It is like having a personal tutor in your pocket. It offers one-on-one AI tutoring, helping you understand difficult topics and practice exam styles questions. It's perfect for targeted revision and building confidence before your exam. Elicit is a unique tool for research and critical thinking. It helps you find reliable sources, summarize articles, and organizing your ideas for essays or projects. If you are working on IGCSE assignments or extended essays, Elicit will save you tons of time. Finally, we have Quizlet, a classic but powerful tool for memorization. With flashcards, quizzes, and games, Quizlet makes it easy to learn definitions, formulas, and key concepts. It's perfect for last-minute revision or mastering vocabulary for subjects like English or foreign language. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.